Shenzhen Yichong Packaging Products Company Limited was established in 2009 in Shenzhen and launched Ashidi Nanoedge Nanoshield brand. We are a professional factory only focusing on PET, TPU materials screen protector, and have very rich production experience of Nanoedge TPU full screen coverage films, Nanoshield anti-shock screen protectors, wet applied films, PAC matte screen products, computer privacy filter, mirror screen protectors. Welcome OEM and ODM orders. Our factory is committed to the research, production, marketing, and service of screen protectors. We have obtained outstanding achievement and enlarged our scale gradually. Due to furious competition, our company takes modernized management and introduces high-tech talents and advanced equipment. Our advantages: first, we devote to the update of styles and models, the reduction of production cost, and strive to keep the high quality. 2. We have participated in Hong Kong consumer electronics exhibitions for many years. 3. We have the professional quality check team to help us ensure the product's quality. 4. We have obtained relevant ISO 9001 and product certifications. 5. The speed of developing new products is very fast, which can help you firstly to occupy the market and get more customers. If you're interested in our products, please feel free to visit our website or contact us for getting more information. We're looking forward to establish long-time business relationship with you.